I just got this big package. I think I know what it is. Let's open it. Now, if you came here from the Bearded Divers channel, thank you. And if you don't know who the Bearded Diver is, I'll put his link down below. But him and his cousin did something epic for me. I didn't see this yet, so I'm really, really pumped to see it. This thing is huge. Dude, it's framed and everything. Look at this, guys. Holy crap. This thing looks awesome. Dude, this thing is freaking sweet. Look at the mold. Look at the picture frame. The picture frame is epic. Look at that. Dumpster Marcus Recycling. All from a CNC machine. This is... I want to put this up in my living room, but I don't think the fiance would like that, and there's no really room. But every time, I'm going to put this in my eBay room. Every time we make a video, I'm going to have to make like a fake wall that comes up behind me. And you see this in the background. And you don't see all my clutter. If you don't know who the Bearded Diver is, I'll put a link down below to his channel. Thank you so much. This is amazing. Thank you so much, guys, for making this. The Bearded Diver and his cousin. His cousin has a CNC machine. Dude, this is awesome. I can't say thank you enough. Really, it is. Adam, this thing is freaking sweet, dude. I'll put Adam's Instagram page down below. He has a bunch of cool art pieces that he did with a CNC machine that I seen. He did a Legends of Zelda shield, which looks freaking epic. Go to his Instagram page, tell him that Dumpster Marcus sent you, and bug him to make a YouTube channel. He doesn't have a YouTube channel, so go to his Instagram and blow out all of his comments saying, Dumpster Marcus sent you, start a YouTube channel. Dude, this is sick. Thank you guys so much for doing this for me, the Bearded Diver and Adam. This is amazing. It's amazing.
Hey, I'm David, and if you want to see how e-waste recycling goes in Europe, check out my channel, Euro Recycling. Thank you, Dumpster Marcus.